Alright, so I wanted to figure out a way to mount a tablet in my boat to run Navionics on it because I really like the app, but I'm also wear reading glasses and can't see my little phone, so I wanted something bigger like a tablet. Looked at several options. I did not want to buy a tablet specific mount because this is just an old tablet, and I didn't want to buy a mount that just fits it and then it break or whatever and I have to put another one in. So I wanted something I could use on anything. So what I came up or decided on was the SeaSucker Naked Flex Mount, which comes in this nice little storage case. And what you get is two suction cups and a flexible mount. Now, when I first got this, I thought it wasn't flexible, but it actually is. And once you flex it and install it, it does not budge until you actually straighten it out or change its position or whatever. Nice thing about this also, the threads on it are your standard threads to any camera. So if you want to suction cup your camera to something, you can do that. So that's just a nice little extra feature. But anyway, they come like this. They have their little covers on them. You're supposed to store them back in the bag with the covers on when they're not in use, which I intend to do. And to install these, you wet them and then you just pump them and the orange will disappear, which I'm going to go ahead and show you that. I'm going to wet it, stick it down, and the orange disappears. So you can keep an eye. If you start seeing a little bit of orange peek out, you know you're losing suction on it. But these things are super strong. So let me screw the flex mount in. I'm going to tilt it back a little bit. And you could also have two different ways to mount, which I use it this way in the boat, this towards the windshield. But in here, I'm going to just do it like this. I should have put this together first. Alright, so now I'll just wet it in my tablet, and you just have to make sure you don't hit something like the camera or something. And this is actually rough. It's not slick. It's got a texture to it. I'm touching something. And there we go. And it's a very secure mount, I think. I've been really happy with it. You can also, you could use this anywhere, not just boats. And they make several different attachments for this, for like motorcycles, bicycles, all kinds of different mounts that you can get, or different things to add on to this. But I've been really happy with this so far. Now I'll show you what I forgot to show you how to release. It's got these tabs on either side. And you just, it's not always easy. Yep, that popped right off. You just push them up, and you can see I still have the tablet on here, and it's holding strong.
How do you get the tablet off?
Oh, same way. Just press this. Yeah, just easy as that. There. All right. Start with, you got to wet the suction cup, and push it in place, and then start pumping. And you can see it just drop to the windshield, and when it stops pumping, it's all the way on. And then the same thing here for this suction cup. Wet it, just water, and there we go. And that's not exactly where I keep it, but that's pretty close. And then I have a little USB charger that I can kind of run around and plug into it too off the boat. So I've had it out a couple times. Yesterday, as a matter of fact, was pretty rough. Haven't had it fall off. Every time I've checked the little indicators, it's never lost suction. So it's a good mount as far as I'm concerned. If you want to add a tablet to your boat, it works pretty well.